In this video, I'll show you how to convert any image into a 3D model. Earlier, I had this image of a Tesla Cybertruck, which I converted into a 3D model. For this purpose, we'll be using an AI tool called TRELLIS, which is hosted on Hugging Face. To get started, click on the first link in the description, and it will redirect you to the official TRELLIS space on Hugging Face. After you are here, you'll need to click here and upload the image whose 3D model you want to create. I'll just select my image, which is this Tesla Cybertruck. As you can see, earlier this Tesla Cybertruck had a background, but this model can automatically remove the background from your image, which is a great feature. Now you have some generational settings. You can click on this drop-down and you have a few steps. That is stage 1, where you can select the sparse structured generation. If you decrease this guidance strength, it will give more creative results. But if you increase this strength, it will give more detailed results. You can also increase the sampling steps to get a more detailed output, but this will also increase the time for GPU rendering. You also have structured latent generation, which you can increase to improve the specific fine details in your image. Then you can just click on Generate, and it will start generating a 3D model for your image. As you can see, it says, waiting for GPU to become available, and after it acquires a certain GPU, it will start generating a 3D asset. Also remember that whenever you use this space, you need to log into Hugging Face, or else you will get only a few limited credits. So make sure to create an account and log in first to get the maximum benefit of this AI tool. So as you can see, it has generated a 3D asset for our image in the form of a video. If you are satisfied with the result, you can move to the next step of extracting a GLB from this. However, if the results do not look great, you can make changes to the generational settings, play around with them, and get a perfect output. In this case, I think the output looks great, so I'll just go to the extraction settings. In the GLB extraction settings, you can also increase these parameters to get more detailed results, or decrease them to get more creative results. You can also increase or decrease the texture size from here. I'll keep it as it is in the default settings and just click on Extract GLB. It will start looking for a GPU, and once it acquires a GPU similar to the previous step, it will start generating a GLB file. It will take some time. As you can see, it is showing 41 seconds for now, so we'll have to wait until that time. As you can see, it has created a GLB file from my image. To download it, just click on Download GLB, and the file will be downloaded. If you want to view how this file looks, you can click on the downloaded GLB file, and it will load in Microsoft 3D Viewer. You can also access different settings from here, such as light rotation, different colors, and environment adjustments. The best part about this tool is that you can also import these GLB files into Blender or any other 3D modeling tool and make changes according to your needs. If you do not have Microsoft 3D Viewer on your system, you can go to Google, search for GLB Viewer, and visit the first website. Upload the GLB file that we just downloaded, and you'll be able to view it there as well. As you can see, our model looks great, and you also have other settings that you can play around with on the right side. So that was our first model. Now let us try with the second image. To generate another 3D model, I'll just click here and upload our second image. In this example, we'll be using a 3D model of Iron Man. Since it is a detailed image, let us see how it performs with this. I'll keep all the settings as they are default and just click on Generate. Now it will start generating a video. As you can see, it is showing 21 seconds, so we'll wait for some time. As you can see, it has generated a detailed 3D asset video for us, and the output looks pretty amazing. I'm satisfied with this 3D asset, so I won't make any changes to the generation settings. I'll continue with getting a GLB file by clicking on Extract GLB, and it will start creating the GLB file as well. As you can see, our GLB file has been extracted. To download it, I'll just click on Download, and after the download is completed, I'll open it through Microsoft 3D Viewer so we can take a closer look at it. As you can see, the output looks pretty amazing. So that was all. If you want to know about an AI tool that can help you create shorts with just a single prompt, click on the video appearing on your screen. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.